So it's simple. The ways to success, the way to create the vision, the dream, the life that you desire and deserve is simple 3 steps. Number 1, as we spoke in the previous video, taste your vision. See it clear. Know that you can have it. See it in clarity and start believing it in your heart. It winds up moving. It takes some time to move from a vision to a vision in your heart. But when you have a vision in your heart, no's don't get in the way. So number 1, taste your vision. Number 2, be flexible and change your approach all the time. There's no way, the example that's given is a plane that takes off New York City and lands in, wherever it is, in Los Angeles, is off course 98% of the time. It lands on a dime. So remember, you can be off course, but you have to constantly adjust accordingly. Just if it's working great, not make an adjustment. Number 3, pray. Remember that you can do the acts and stuff, but at the end of the day, there's a higher power that needs to be in there with you for your success. So number 1, taste your vision. Number 2, change your approach all the time to make work. And number 3, pray and believe in a higher power that will make it happen for you. For more information on how to integrate this in your life step by step, check out my website, benjaminhalpern.com.